Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to discover and join groups on the linkedin.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then go to your home page by tapping on this home button at the top of the screen. In the left side of the screen you can see this groups section, so tap on it, and here you can see this discover button in the middle of the screen, so tap on it, and here you can see the results at the top, so scroll down and select a relevant one that you are interested in, tap on it and check it out. And if you would like to join, tap on the join button and your request has been sent. If you go back, you can also apply filters to narrow down your search. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.